What's going on, y'all? Got a pickup that just came in. Well, it came in earlier today. I'm just getting around to doing this unboxing. If you've been following me, I have posted these up right in time for Independence Day, July 4th. I just gave y'all a hint to what these are. Can't get it upside down. Oh well. Let's see what we have here. We have, what does it say on this? Okay. Puma Palace Guard, 4th of July. Puma Palace Guard, 4th of July. We'll do the unboxing. Let's take a look, see what we have here. Here we go. A little too bright, turn that bright down. What's that say? 4th of July, 1776. Let's see what the other sneaker looks like. See if it's got the same thing. Yep, other sneaker. Same thing, 4th of July. $17.76. Trying to define what color this is. This is more like an off-white color. So this is not all white. This is a off-white color. Come with 2 shoelaces. You got your off-white shoelace. Then you got the American flag shoelace. And I'm definitely gonna go with the American flag shoelace. Typical. This is all suede. This whole sneaker is suede. And the main difference between this and the other, besides, of course, the 4th of July date, the difference between these and the other Palace Guards is definitely on the tongue. As my other videos you've seen, you actually have the basketball right there. So right here, there is no basketball. Well, there is a basketball, but it's not no 3D image of the basketball like the other sneakers. What else we got? Anything else special on this sneaker? Yep. The insole. Let's take a look at the insole. The insole. In Congress, July 4, 1776, a declaration by the representatives of the United States of America in General Congress assembled. So it's the start of the Declaration of Independence. Let's see what's on the other one. Same thing on the other insole. Just the beginning of the Declaration of Independence.